So hello guys, today in this video I'll show you that how to add Shadcn to your Next.js project, and along with the most important thing that in most of the cases you have to add every component one by one, like pnpm or npm, add this button, add accordion, and there are not too many. So what if we want to add all at the same time? For that, we will see that also. I will tell you the spoiler. Just add dash a flag here, then all the components will be downloaded. So let's see if anyone had not understood it. Let's create it, and if someone understood, go and try there. See my previous video about Nextjs. It's about Shadcn. And let's trust this. Okay, just close this, and now we have to create a next step. And ps create next step in current folder dot. Yes, no, for now. And it's being created. The first thing we will do that to clear the global.css. I always do this. The remaining is your choice to do it or not. So build and deploy Versal. Don't deploy on Versal. I would suggest. It's too costly. It's being recorded. Okay, so I think it's been downloaded. It's just creating the node modules folder, and now we have to run the development server. Okay, it's okay. I noticed in Nextjs 15 they have provided a network URL also, like White or React. So this is the thing, and now we have to add Shadcn. So for that, let's first clear the page. Okay, why it's like hello, and clear the global.css. Now it's time to add Shadcn. Create a new terminal, and here that's not being refreshed. Let's restart the server. For that, go to introduction or directly in the installation Nextjs, and then you can use the dash d flag to get the default ones. Let's choose this and install it. Choose the default ones. Okay, intro it. Okay, and for that we have to enable auto save also. It was not saved. Cannot find enemy. Why the errors are happening? Use source. For that, let's install this. Okay, now you can see the library utils is created, and a component folder will be also created. If we add a new component, that is button, let's add it. You okay, it's been added. Let's add this to main page. Button, I think I have to download some intelligence. Okay, so the Shadcn button has been added very easily, and we can also have variant uh, host. Okay, whatever we will see it later. The main thing we have to say that how to download all the components here. I have to set up my VS Code. I resetted it, did reset up. Okay, so let's, for that we have to type the same command, shadcn latest add, then after add we have to add dash a, and here all set. You can also use that dash f directly here to force it, but I'm seeing here for the first time. And in React 19 the many packages are really feeling like 3JS or something. There are problems with this. We already have to replace the button.tsx, and it's all set now. All the components are here, you can see, as JS file. So that's all for the video, and you can add it on your own and create variants. Whatever the course variant I was searching, just go here and see which variants are here. Variants, default, primary, ghost, link, etc. I think the spelling is wrong. Variant. So that's all for the video. Thanks for watching the video. If you have some issues or comments related to this topic, just comment out. I just saw that they added a charts table. It's a lot option with a lot type of charts here. There are so many type of charts. You can see the codes here. They are awesome, just awesome. They use tree charts. Okay, that's also good. They are all also open source, and they use Lucid React. They are choosing the perfect libraries. They are also creating a carousel thing. So that's all for the. See you later.